Yangzhou Kaiyue Brush Industrial Machinery Company Limited was founded in 2009 and located in Jiangsu District, Yangzhou City, which is nearby the hometown of Toothbrushes in China. We have very rich industry experience and is a trusted supplier. The company has advanced production equipment and skilled frontline employees. The company is mainly engaged in the research, development, and production of bristles planting machine, brush making equipment, toothbrush bristles planting machine, and other related products. Our company knows that the development of the company depends on the innovation and quality of the products. Therefore, our products have strict quality control from the procurement of raw materials to the sale of finished products. The company has established a quality management system that meets the requirements of the International Quality Management System. The company continuously releases the original innovations according to the market and customer needs, and always maintains the novelty and innovation of the products. The company wants the customer's thoughts and urgency. Solving problems for customers and meeting customer needs is our eternal pursuit. Our company's products are sold worldwide. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. We have a professional R&D team. We can accept OEM and ODM. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits.